Hello, everyone. Welcome to the farm to table. Hello, everyone. Welcome once again to the farm to table. And I just want to first say thank you to all our subscribers. Oh, we have 1,000 subscribers. Oh, I'm so happy. As in, 2023 was when I actually took this farming of a thing serious after doing a training in 2022 thereabout. Lest I forget, let me also say thank you to the Redeemed Christian Church of God, that's Redeemed Agricultural Program REAP. I attended the training in 2022. Yes, 2022. That was some years back. I just want to say thank you to Pastor E. Adeboye, Daddy Gio. Thank you so much, Daddy, for the opportunity, for creating that wonderful program. Wow, 1,000 subscribers. The journey has been so long. You'll be saying, do you mean from 2023, 2024, 2025, it took you 4 years to get to 1,000 subscribers? Well, I would say no, because I created this channel, I think 2023, when I started the farming proper. And I'm like, let me just create it, as one of those things. Let's just have, let's just have a YouTube channel. The initial gragra, as we used to call it say it in Nigeria, the initial gragra was the initial ginger was there for me, and I was pushing out some content, but I think after a few days I just kind of just stopped. Actually, I was also super busy, juggling being a software engineer and also being a family person and also farming, a lot of things. I just had to no, I don't think I'm ready for being a YouTuber or doing anything that has to do with content creation. It was early this year that let me say late last year, around December, thereabout, that I'm like, come on, what actually motivated me to take it serious, quote and unquote? A lot of things motivated me anyway. But the first one, I will drop the name of the lady and her channel as a comment later. You can even see it in the description. I think she is based in either Warri or Delta State, for those that are in Nigeria, or those that know Nigeria state very well. And she mentioned that she got paid. You'll be saying, oh, it's money that drove you to. I'll go to that later. But she got paid after being monetized. And the first thing I told myself was, wait, I'm in Southwest. Yeah, let me brag about Southwest in Nigeria a bit. I'm in Lagos, Ogun, thereabout. At least I can say the internet speed around this area, this part of Nigeria, is far better compared to other places. And I reside where I stay, that's Redemption City. Redemption City is a city that prides of 247 power. I'm in tech. A lot of conditions favors me to even do better at YouTube, content creation and things like that. Is it gadgets? I have access to gadgets. So I'm like, what's actually delaying me? What's holding me back? What has been holding me back all these years, all these months from taking this YouTube of a thing more serious? And this is just to tell you that are watching me right now. Yes, you have a Gmail. You have you have a YouTube. Some hours ago, I just finished listening to Tayo. I opted on one of his webinar, and it's part of what he also mentioned in the webinar. We also dropped the link on the webinar so that you can also get what I'm trying to say. I'm like, all these factors favors me, so why am I not utilizing it? So December 2025, that was when I'm like, no, I need to take this thing Very, 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 very serious. And since then, I've been trying to. It has not been easy anyway. It has not been easy. One other thing that motivated me was, I think there's a particular either 55 or 65 years old man in either Texas or California, I can't remember the state now, that I stumbled on his YouTube channel, and he was like, if I can do it, you can do it, kind of like a motivation. I'm like, oh no, I need to get more serious with it. And here we are, over 1,000 subscribers. Wow, I'm so happy. Thank you to all our subscribers. You were asking me that, how did you get 1,000 subscribers? Don't worry, I will do another video for that, just to go in depth. I'm going to explain how we're able to accumulate 1,000 and still growing, 1,000 subscribers and still growing. My friend over here is like, tell us, don't worry, just watch out for a video on that, on how we're able to get to 1,000 subscribers. And also, let me appreciate all the workers on the farm, workers at our staffs at Dafarmtotable. Thank you so much for all the hard work. You guys have been so fantabulous. Wow, 1,000 subscribers. If you are here to subscribe and you are watching this video, you know what to do. Just hit that bell. Eat it. Eat it. Yes, hit that bell. Follow us, subscribe, so that when we post that video now, we're able to get our first 1,000 subscribers. You'll be the first to know about it. Like I said, it has not been an easy journey. See, if anybody tells you that pushing out content is easy, it's a lie. But one thing I've noticed is, if you are consistent, consistency is the key. That's just the summary of everything. Consistency is what is the key. This is the farm to table. Like we say, we bring the produce from the farm straight to your table. You don't need to go to any market. Why go to Sokoto when what you are looking for is in your Sokoto? The farm to table, from the farm straight to your table. 1,000 subscribers in. Up next to our 4,000 watch hour. That's the race now. And very soon we'll be back here to also celebrate, jubilate on achieving that 4,000 watch hours. YouTube. Being a YouTuber, content creation, no be beans, as they say it in Nigeria. No be beans at all. By the way, let me say something. This weekend, that will be just a minute. Yes, this weekend, that's Saturday, 28th March 2026. We are going live with a very wonderful topic. A very wonderful topic that is going to be mind-blowing. I've been doing research on this for weeks now, and the topic is if I were in the diaspora today, if I were in Germany, in Canada, in Tokyo, in Japan, in Switzerland, in Netherlands, if I were in the diaspora, these are the farms that I would invest in Nigeria. Are you in Nigeria? Are you a Nigerian and you are in the diaspora? Either you're in London, either you're in Britain, either you're in Toronto, either you're in Berlin, either you're in Netherlands, either anywhere you are all over the world and you're a Nigerian there, and you are thinking of what aspect of farming to come into. In 2026, rainy season is around the corner. Watch out for a video. I'm thinking maybe I should I go live on that day to discuss, or I should just do a video? Let me know in the comment. Let me know the one you prefer. Should I go live, or I should just do a video and post? Let me know the one you prefer. If you prefer live, just comment live. If that's what you prefer, comment live. And if you want video, comment video. Yes, let me know the one you prefer. If I were in the diaspora, these are the farms I would invest in Nigeria 2026. Let me know in the comments. If you want me to do the discussion live or you want a video. It's going to be a mind-blowing session. I have the research I did is elaborate. Don't let me jump the gun. Just let me know in the comment. And if you are yet to subscribe, this is the Farm to Table. Like, share, smash it. Don't forget that discussion about if I were in the diaspora, these are the farms I would invest in Nigeria in 2026. It's coming up this weekend. It's coming up this weekend. So let me know in the comment section how you prefer. Is it the video or you want it to be live? Just let me know. Let me know in the comments. Once again, to our subscribers, thank you. I really appreciate it. This is the Farm to Table. You know, when you cross that 1,000 subscriber, it's like a big milestone. Thanks to all our subscribers. This is the Farm to Table. From the farm to where? To your table. Gary.